How to make jelly. Step 1. Get your favorite jelly packet. Step 2. Pour water half in this one. I know the name. Okay. Step 3. Burn the oven. Wait, burn it or turn it on? Oh yeah, turn it on. That was a misspell. Okay, now wait. Which one was that? Maybe this one. I think. Yeah, this one. Okay, now let me get the fire. Okay. I can't show the candle because I was looking at real life, not in the camera or something. Wait, let me turn that off. Oh, it wasn't on perfect. Okay. I think this might work. There you go. Okay. Let me turn it off. I think that's it. Okay, now put the pan in the fire. Okay. Get your jelly. Wait, I'm grabbing my phone right now, so I have to pause it and open it with 2 hands. Right. Wait, don't look at the tattoo I'm wearing. Okay, now it's opened. Okay. Get it! Get out! Sometimes I just... Okay, when will it boil? When it boils, and when we get teeny tiny bubbles, I'm gonna come back right now. We're gonna put it after it, wait. Okay, I was bored, so I played with candles. It's kind of burning. It was kind of cool, but it would turn off. I had to blow it. Okay. I like the smoke when it gets off. Okay. I don't think there are bubbles right now. Okay. I was bored, so I played my video game. Xbox 360 Slim. I like my console. Okay, I don't think so. The water is kind of evaporating, like the smoke is coming out. Okay, I was bored, so I need to test some science. I got the, what's this called? Injector. Okay, I got some water. What I do is to put it on the shelf. Like you see those water droplets. Okay, let me get the soap real quick. Okay, I got it. Now let's eject it. There you go. Wait, I don't know real science, by the way. Oh, there are teeny tiny bubbles. I think we need to wait a few more minutes, then we'll put the jelly in. Wait, I need to cough. Okay, there are more bubbles now. Okay, I was bored again, so I play with candles again because I love candles and the wax I get burned. It doesn't work like this. Oh my god. Ashes fell down. Oh, I got off. Let me. Okay. Now let's put the mixture. Oh, more bubbles. Cool. I think it's time. Let me wait. Let me put the packet. Wait. Let me. Wait. What do I have to say? Yeah. Okay. Let me get the packet. What did I need to find in the box? Oh, where's my drum? Oh, there it is. I was kind of blind right now. I'm not blind. I'm just joking. I got this drum in McDonald's, but I'm boycotting McDonald's now because Palestine and Israel are doing a war. Hold on. Let's put the mixture. Okay, Okay. It's open. Now let's put it in. It was like a cloud. Oh, there you go. Ooh, too much. I put too much accidentally. Wait, I need to mix it. Mix it. Sometimes I glitch. Okay, let me get the spoon. Mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mix, mix. Okay. Okay. The smoke is kinda. I need to clear my throat because I'm on capture right now. I don't know what to say. Okay, done. Wait, there's still more. Bro, that's not perfect. Okay, Why this take too long? Okay, when it gets transparent, that means it's time. It's kind of transparent, like I had to mix it real fast. Ooh, look at the glob. It looks like I'm making a candy, right? It's like I'm making a mango candy. That's the mixture. Okay, I think it's done. Wait, let me check again. Let me see if it's transparent. Wait, I need to mix it a bit more. Okay. Oh, it's done. Done. Oh, the spoon is burning. Okay. Let's test it. Cool. Okay. It's kind of hot, but I like the taste. Okay, now I need to find the mold. Where should I find the mold? Okay, let me put the fire thingy right here. Wait, let me get the mold. Okay, got the mold. Now let's inject our mixture. Okay, done. I like the bubbles when they were popping. Oh, I made a mess. Oh. I think my mom is gonna kill me. Wait, can I eat it? I think it was gooey. Ooh, yummy, delicious. Gooey, gooey water. Okay, now this is delicious. I don't know what to say. So, I think we're ready. Oh, it's dripping down. Don't look at my boots though. It went down to sewers. Rat's gonna come and eat it. It's kind of delicious, like I wish I could eat it whole right now. But why do I always clear my throat? I think it's kind of done. Yeah, it is. Okay, let's get it in the fridge. Wait. I need to put the... Wait, I need 2 hands. Wait, when I leave it, it just closes on its own. And it goes, oh no! I don't have time to get the jelly. Put the mixture. Oh, I think it's kind of ready. Amoguso sibaka. Wait, why did I say that? Okay, now it's done, and now me and my brother are gonna eat it. So let me get the spoons. One is mine, one is my brother's. Wait, let me taste it if it's good. Oh. Cool. I think it's a good flavor. Let me give it to my brother. He's gonna be so excited. Okay, bye guys.